Good morning, students. Now we are discussing chemical kinetics. In chemical kinetics, mainly we are discussing introduction. Thermodynamics deals with the feasibility of chemical change. Here, the thermodynamics explains only feasibility of chemical change. Here we know that the free energy change of reaction helps to understand whether the reaction will occur or not. Even though there may be decrease in free energy, but reactants do not always form the products instantaneously. And actual rate of the reaction may vary from extremely slowly to very fast. Thermodynamics is concerned only with initial and final states of reacting systems, but offers no explanation about the various stages through which the reactants pass to reach the final state. Thus, thermodynamics tells about the feasibility of a reaction, whereas chemical kinetics explains about the rate of reaction. Feasibility of a reaction, whereas chemical kinetics explains chemical kinetics explains about the rate of reaction, about the rate of reaction. थर्मोडायनेमिक्स एक्सप्लेन कर रहे इधर जो रिएक्शन चलेगा और नहीं, एंड ये रेट ऑफ द रिएक्शन हमको एक्सप्लेन करेगा क्या, जो रिएक्शन अगर चले तो वो कितना स्पीड से चलेगा वो एक्सप्लेन करेगा केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. Here chemical kinetics explains, or chemical kinetics is the branch of chemistry that deals with rate of reactions mechanism and factors influencing the rate of reaction. Chemical kinetics is the branch of chemistry that deals with rate of reactions mechanism and factors influencing the rate of reaction. Rate of reaction. You know that हमको ये मालूम है केमिकल काइनेटिक्स it is a physical chapter and it is the one of the branch of chemistry. तो the here केमिकल काइनेटिक्स एक्सप्लेन कर रहे हैं हमको रेट ऑफ रिएक्शंस कितना स्पीड से चलेगा, एंड रिएक्शंस मैकेनिज्म के बारे में एक्सप्लेन करेगा, एंड फैक्टर्स इन्फ्लुएंसिंग द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन मीन्स हियर अगर हम टेम्परेचर, कॉन्सेंट्रेशन और नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, नेचर ऑफ रिएक्शन, कैटलिस्ट, जस्ट लाइक दिस फैक्टर्स अगर हम वो चेंज करें तो रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन क्या हो जाएगा, केमिकल रिएक्शन क्या हो जाएगा, इधर हम वो एक्सप्लेन करेगा. we know that the word kinetics is derived from the Greek word kinesis. Kinesis is kinetics. Kinesis, it is a Greek word. It is converts kinetics. Kinetics means movement. Here kinetics का वर्ड ग्रीक से लिया है. वो ग्रीक में काइनेसिस बोलता है. वो काइनेसिस का मीनिंग क्या होता है? इधर मूवमेंट. मूवमेंट होता है. तो इधर different chemical reactions occurs at different rates. On the basis of rates, the chemical reactions are broadly classified, broadly divided into three categories. Now we are discussing types of reactions. In types of reactions, first one is very fast, or it is also called instantaneous reactions. First one is very fast reactions or instantaneous reactions. Second one is very slow reactions, and third one is slow reactions or moderate reactions. Now we are discussing one by one. First reaction is very fast reaction. It is also called instantaneous reactions. The chemical reactions which are completed within the fraction of seconds are called a very fast reactions. The chemical reactions are completed within the fraction of seconds are called a very fast reactions. जो यार very fast reaction मतलब क्या है? रिएक्शन का रेट ज़्यादा होता है. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? जो रिएक्शन स्टार्ट किया तो वो इमीडिएटली कंप्लीट होगा. इमीडिएटली कंप्लीट होगा. वो फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सेकंड्स में कंप्लीट होगा. दैट रिएक्शंस हम वो कहते हैं वेरी फास्ट और इंस्टेंटेनियस रिएक्शंस. Generally, these reactions involves ionic species. So, it is called, these reactions are called ionic reactions. Ionic reactions. These reactions take about 10 power of minus 14 to 10 power of minus 16 seconds for completion. Here, these reactions take about 10 power of minus 14 to 10 power of minus 16 seconds for completion of the reaction. Very fast reactions, it is also called instantaneous reactions, and these reactions involves in ionic species, so it is thus known as ionic reactions. These reactions take about 10 power of minus 14 to 10 power of 16 seconds. Example, first one is neutralization of an acid with a base when their aqueous solutions are mixed. Neutralization of an acid with a base. HCl, aqueous HCl plus aqueous NaOH, sodium hydroxide, aqueous sodium hydroxide gives to sodium chloride, aqueous sodium chloride plus water. This is neutralization of an acid with a base reaction, it is completed within the fraction of seconds. When we are adding HCl with NaOH, this reaction mixture immediately converts into aqueous NaCl plus water. Next reaction, precipitation of silver chloride. Precipitation of silver chloride. Here silver nitrate, aqueous silver nitrate react with aqueous NaCl gives to silver chloride solid and sodium nitrate, aqueous sodium nitrate. This is also precipitation of AgCl or precipitation of barium sulfate. These two reactions examples for very fast reactions. And third one is explosive reactions. Explosion of TNT, trinitrotoluene, is example for explosive reactions. This reaction is also very fast reaction. And generally we know that H2 plus Cl2 gives to HCl. H2 plus Cl2 gives to HCl. H2 plus F2 gives to HF. These two reactions also examples for very fast reactions. See, graphically, the graph in between concentration versus time. Concentration versus time. The graph plotted like this up to down. When time is increases, the concentration decreases. Here means very fast reactions. Very fast means reaction rate is more, means this reactions completed in fraction of seconds, means it means the concentration immediately decreases with time. The second one, very slow reactions. The chemical reactions which takes a very long time for their completion are called as very slow reactions. The chemical reactions which takes a very long time for their completion are called as very slow reaction. स्लो रिएक्शन क्या है? ये रिएक्शन कंप्लीट होने के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. दिस रिएक्शंस आर कॉल्ड वेरी स्लो रिएक्शन. These reactions takes about months and years for completion of the reaction. This reaction takes months and years for completion of the reactions. ये reaction लेगा complete होने के लिए months and years time लगेगा. This reaction are called very slow reactions. And it is also impossible to determine the rates of these reactions. For example, here rusting of iron in presence of air and moisture. There 4 moles of iron react with 3 moles of oxygen with water to form ferric hydride, to form FeTO3 and X moles of H2O. Because of here we are taken X moles of H2O in products, Fe2O3, X moles of H2O is hydride, ferric hydride is formed. This reaction takes a very long time for completion of the reaction. ये रिएक्शन कंप्लीट होने के लिए ज़्यादा टाइम लगेगा. सो दिस रिएक्शन इज एग्जाम्पल फॉर स्लो रिएक्शन. एंड second example is formation of water from H2 and O2 at room temperature. In this reaction, for 1% completion takes 1 year. For 1% of the reaction takes 1 year for 1% completion. Here H2 gas plus O2 gas at room temperature to gives to H2O liquid. This reaction takes a long time. And this is examples for slow, very slow reactions. And one more reaction is, that is carbon plus oxygen. It is also undergoes at room temperature to form carbon dioxide. To form carbon dioxide, CO2, carbon dioxide. Third example is reaction of atmospheric H2S on basic lead acetate. Reaction of atmospheric H2S on basic lead acetate. Let's see graph between concentration versus time. Here time is on x-axis, concentration on y-axis. Then the graph plotted like this. Means here the reactions takes a long time, the concentration also constant. Because of here the completion of the reaction takes long time. This is very slow. Next, third reactions, slow or moderate reactions. What are slow reactions? The chemical reactions which are completed within specified time are called as slow reactions. The chemical reactions which are completed within specified time, within specified time are called slow reactions. These slow reactions, this reaction takes for completion a specified time, hours or minutes, hours or minutes. Mostly these reactions are molecular in nature, molecular in nature. The rates of these reactions can be measured or can be determined. Now, examples of slow reactions, that is first one, decomposition of H2O2, decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, and N2O5, nitrogen pentoxide, and N2O5. Here 2 moles of hydrogen peroxide is liquid to gives 2 moles of water liquid plus oxygen. Second one is the hydrolysis of an ester. Hydrolysis of ester. Here ethyl acetate ethyl acetate liquid, it is react with aqueous NaOH, gives to sodium acetate, gives to sodium acetate and alcohol. This is examples for slow reactions. This reaction takes a specified time for completion of the reaction. Next, third example is ammonia in the presence of tungsten gives to nitrogen gas plus hydrogen gas. This is also example for slow reactions. Fourth one is inversion of cane sugar in acidic medium. Inversion of cane sugar in acidic medium, it is also example for slow reactions. Now observe the graph in between concentration and time. Then plotted graph in between concentration time, the graph plotted like this. Means here time is increases, the concentration slowly decreases with time. This is types of reactions